Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw a cute baby with accessories. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw the shape of his head with his 2 ears. Then I draw his cute eyes. And a smiling mouth. Finally, I draw her little hair. She is wrapped comfortably with a blanket. She looks very cute. Now let's draw basic baby accessories. Next to her, I draw her stroller like this. Then I draw a baby bottle. A pacifier. And a rattle. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin with cream. Then I'll use light brown for her hair. For her stroller, I'm going to use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Let's color her baby bottle with yellow, pink, and light blue. For her pacifier, I'll use yellow, purple, and orange. Finally, I color the rattle with the colors of the rainbow again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, light purple, pink. Very good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.